Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing great. Since last few videos, I have been updating you guys with various sessions, courses organized by Unacademy. I have also promised some videos related to prerequisites required to enter into VLSI. Second one is importance of scripting languages like Perl, Python, etc. So I would try to complete above videos soon. Right now, I'm going to update you that Unacademy has already launched various courses and sessions for electrical, electronics, mechanical, and civil engineers. Looking over the mass enrollment, they have launched a new 3-day series by the name of Skill Capsule. Well, as shown above, this series would be having sessions related to EVs, semiconductors era, and bridge design for EEC, mechanical, and civil engineering. Along with that, there would be session to pronounce your soft skills, which are as important as your technical skills. So soft skills include resume betterment, LinkedIn profile optimization, etc. So to have a transforming experience in your skills, you must enroll into this series, which is going to help from 2nd June to 4th of June. To get more updates and information about VLSI industry, you can consider subscribing my channel. Thank you.